Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BlockBeats token. The ticker symbol is Bbdc. Now this token is running on the Bitica blockchain. I was just checking out their Bitica scan. If you don't know what Bitica is, I did a video on their coin with the ticker symbol Bdcc. I believe I did a video on that a while ago, so I'll try to, if I can find it, I'll link it at the end of this video. It'll pop up. But yeah, this token here is on that blockchain. It is called the BlockBeats token. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting August 21st on a very big central exchange. So we're going to go over the BlockBeats token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the BlockBeats token. And that's where you can find their Twitter. And I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there, at BlockBeats token on Twitter. Ticker symbol BBDC. This token is being listed August 21st, 11 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search BBDC, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So August 21st, 11 o'clock UTC time. Now, like I said, this is on the Bitica blockchain. Now, you can check out their Bitica scan. The good thing about this being listed on a big exchange like Mexc Global, it's real easy to buy if you wanted to buy it. A lot of these new blockchains, people don't understand like what decentralized swap to use, like what DEX are they listed on, how do I, like what kind of wallet do I need to get to hold this token. It becomes a big learning process, especially because of all these new blockchains coming out, one after another. It's very hard to keep up. You're going to have 75, different decentralized wallets on your phone, and it's just going to flood your whole phone with all these things. So, like a real easy way to get these tokens, if they're on these obscure blockchains, is to get them off a big exchange like Mexc Global. That way your phone and you don't have to learn 75 different ways to buy tokens with 75 different wallets. You get the idea. But yes, their Bitica scan is available on here. Now, I was checking that out. It says here, name of the token, BlockBeats digital currency, and that's what BBDC stands for. And it says only 65 transactions so far, gas used 2.6 mil. Now, it has, it runs basically on the Bitica blockchain, and if you want to check out my video on that, ticker symbol for that coin is Bdcc, slightly different than Bbdc. So don't get them confused. They're two different coins or tokens, and they have their whole white paper here. If you go to blockbeats.network, you can find a full 25-page white paper that's just going to tell you all about what the Bitica coin is, which is the blockchain coin, the Bdcc coin. But this video is specifically going to be about the BlockBeats token that's being listed on Mexc Global. So it says, BlockBeats is empowering the world, a next-generation smart contract and decentralized application platform for crypto revolution. So what is the BlockBeats token, BBDC? So BlockBeats token, commonly known as BBDC, was created in 2023 based on Bitica blockchain smart technology that is owned by BlockBeats company registered in Dubai, the first country to legalize cryptocurrency, it says. Since then, numerous cryptocurrencies and tokens have been created using similar technology. BlockBeats network believes in financial freedom and economic independence, which is easily possible through transparent and secured transactions using Bdcc coin and its house products like the Bitica swap, Bitica exchange, Bitica NFT marketplace, and Bitica wallet. So that's what I'm talking about. If you were to use all the products within their ecosystem, you would have to download, the Bitica wallet, find the Bitica exchange, use the Bitica swap, the NFT marketplace if you want to get NFTs. It becomes a big ordeal, and then if you're going to do that with, 50 different blockchains, then you're going to be, it's like I said, it's a big learning curve. Some people like doing that stuff, but for somebody who's just like, oh, I like this token, I want to invest in it, a real easy way is to use something like Mexc Global that has the majority of these coins and tokens listed on there. So it says the services, they have the general ecosystem. The year 2008 introduced a revolutionary intervention in the world technology blockchain. They also have transfer to debit card. You can transfer Bitcoin from the debit card to fiat currency via an exchange or Bitcoin ATM. Anonymity security. On the one hand, cryptocurrency is entirely anonymous. I don't believe that. Pseudo-anonymous. And some is not anonymous and some is anonymous. Depending if you use Monero or you use Bitcoin or you use whatever, they're all slightly different. But anyways, I digress. Little correction there for their page. On the other hand, it just says it is completely. I hate it when, like, this is obviously from Dubai, but I mean, at least, get your grammar and everything right. And spelling and stuff, but okay. Exchange crypto. These exchanges are private companies that offer platforms to trade cryptocurrency. So it says roadmap for the project here. So they're starting with, where does this even start? So they're starting, okay, so it starts at the bottom here. It says starting with blockchain gas. And then this is in a totally different language if you want to read about it. Then it says create membership, then NFTs. It says minings, but I'm sure they mean minting. They need to correct a lot of stuff on their page here. Crypto wallet, list for sale, and then creator shield. So token allocation for the BlockBeats token, 10% went to IEO, 12% exchanges, 1.2% marketing, 4.8% partnerships and advisors, 9.54% private sale, 19% content acquisition, 15.46% growth, 10% company reserves, 18% core company. So they have documents about their terms and conditions, token sale, AML, KYC, privacy and policy, and white paper. There's frequently asked questions. And yeah, their webpage, it seems like it needs a lot of work. This is a brand new token, so I'll cut them a little bit of slack. If you do check out their full white paper on Bitica, that one's really good, and it has a lot of good info on there, very well written. But this blockchain beats token webpage needs a lot of work. But anyways, I'm not a financial advisor, and actually this might be written very well in other languages, so maybe just the English one needs a lot of work. But anyways, I'm not a financial advisor, so let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the BlockBeats token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about BlockBeats? And check out the referral code, especially that Mexc Global one. Hit the join button if you want to help support the channel. Check out my Facebook page down there in the description box. And support on Patreon if you want to help keep this channel going. If you like what's going on. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace!